and he will be brought to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's court. And it will be said, perhaps to the angels or whoever presents his deeds, that present only his minor sins. So they will be presented and he will confess to each one. It will be said, on so and so day you did such and such things, and he will have no choice but to accept that he did do it, right? How can he say, no, I didn't do it? What defense can he present for himself in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? There's no defense for this prosecution. So he will continue admitting his sins and confessing, to the point where he will think to himself that, you know what, there are so many sins on this list, this prosecution keeps going, this interrogation keeps continuing, I'm ruined, I'm not getting out of this, right? So after all the minor sins will be presented, it will be said, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will say, that take all of his minor sins and erase them and replace them with good deeds instead. Not only is he forgiven, but his bad deeds have been replaced with good deeds. So he will say, oh, my Lord, wait. There's still a lot of major sins that I've done that I haven't confessed to yet. Let me confess those first, right? So look at the forgiveness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Not only has he taken this man's sins and replaced them with good deeds, what he was fearful of just a moment before, now he enthusiastically wants to confess them so that they can also be exchanged with good deeds. And the narrator himself, the Sahaba, he said that when the Prophet said this, the Prophet himself was laughing about it on the state of this man. That he went from a state of extreme fear that I'm so ruined to now a state of, you know what, let me tell you about all my sins. Every single one, the major ones as well, so that you can exchange them for good deeds.